This is Ado with Sir Sultan. Today, we will talk about the Quran, the holy book of Islam. The Quran was revealed by Allah to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is the final and complete message for all humanity. The Quran is not only a religious book, it is a complete guide for life. It teaches people how to live with truth, patience, honesty, and kindness. The Quran was revealed in the Arabic language. It was revealed over a period of 23 years. Each verse was revealed according to different situations to guide people in the best way. Muslims believe that the Quran is the word of Allah. That is why they read it with respect and care. They try to understand its meaning and follow its teachings in daily life. The Quran teaches important values such as respect for parents, helping the poor, speaking the truth, being patient in difficulties. The Quran also teaches that all humans are equal. It encourages peace, justice, and good character. Muslims recite the Quran in their prayers. They believe that reading the Quran brings peace to the heart and guidance to the mind. In short, the Quran is a book of guidance, mercy, and wisdom. It shows the right path and helps people become better human beings. Thank you for watching Ado with Sir Sultan.